Alright, this is the F-22 after sunset. I've got the new burner set up. Should be pretty cool. Looks like twin engine, so here we go.
Gear down. Timer clear.
Alright, here we go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Pretty sweet.
Thank you.
Lots better.
I gotta learn how to do that with this.
Talk to Ricky, he's the one who knows how to do it. I know the stick movement, right? I can try to tell you what the stick
Well, I know it too. I'm not gonna do it now. I'll do it another day because I can't hardly see it.
It's like chop throttle full right. I do it full right rudder.
Right.
Then left aileron full
Right.
down elevator. And then once it gets spinning, you switch it to up elevator. And
Right. Such a cool plane. It flies like it has vectoring.
Yeah, it's because the tails are bashed up against the wing.
Right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, blasting.
Make that battery scream. Make it beg for mercy. That looks so cool with the lights. Perfect. It's so cool with the lights. I know.
That's what blows me away, that climb.
For 6S, not too shabby.
Whoa, that's stalled.
Yeah, no, it will stall. You know what's funny too? When you do the thing where you like go up, run out of energy, and then kick it over.
Yep.
You get your nose down and you kick the aileron to roll it. It just sits there.
It sits there.
And then
yeah.
it goes.
And then goes.
Those ailerons are really effective for how small they are, though. I got mine at 40% right now.
8. Gear down. 7. 6. 5.
What, your ailerons?
4.
Yeah.
3.
Well, I moved the control horn out.
Time
Okay.
The servo arm, I moved the rod out to the top.
Okay. Oh wow, the light's blinding. I have mine. I just turned them up a little bit. They were at.
Yeah, well, yours is the stock spot. Oh, beauty. Oh, beauty.
This is becoming one of my favorite planes.
I know, same, dude. I love that.
Everyone says they love the 22.
I didn't think I was gonna like it at first,
Dude, I wish I could get one.
but then I forgot all the setups. The setups I had sitting at home. In the F-15, this setup was good, but it wasn't this good.
Well, this one's a lot lighter than
And it's sleeker.
Yeah.
It's also just a newer airplane.
But it blows my mind away. It's such a fat airplane, but it's so floaty.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a triangular wing, dude.
It's really, everything's thin.
Like that should not fly. It's got so much more wing